I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure you're in the correct Gmail account on your Android device. This ensures you block the intended sender and avoid accidental blocks. Once you've opened the Gmail app, locate and open a message from the contact you want to block. Then, tap the three-dot menu in the top right of that message. This reveals account-specific actions. Doing this first lets you reach the block option directly and prevent searching through settings later. From the three-dot menu, tap Block Sender to immediately stop future messages from landing in your inbox. This action tells Gmail to filter that address. If the message is malicious or clearly spam, also choose Report Spam to help Gmail's filters learn and reduce similar messages for you and others. Make sure to note that blocking is reversible. If you need to restore messages, you'll find unblock controls in Gmail settings, so this step is safe and effective. To finish, go to Gmail settings and open Manage Blocked Addresses to confirm the contact is listed. This also lets you unblock if it's a mistake. If messages from the blocked sender still appear, make sure syncing is active and try clearing the Gmail app cache or sign out and back in to force an update. If problems persist, contact Google support with the message headers. They can help resolve delivery or sync issues that simple local fixes don't address.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.